was an old man and his wife, and the wife was on the trike. Well, I assume the wife was on the trike, and the guy was on the Harley. That's so goals. Look at that person being a good person by talking on their phone through speakerphone while driving instead of texting. I mean, it might be kind of distracting too, but it's not as bad as texting. At least you didn't swerve into my lane. Oh, boom. This is so perfect. Apparently the new roundabouts in my town are open. There's like maybe one of these within miles here. So people don't know what they are. And people don't know what to do around them. So I'm going to go see if they actually are open and check them out. Heck, I mean, some of these unedited videos might be like 20 minutes, so bear with me. I mean, you can leave if you want, because I understand why watching a 20-minute video of some just friggin' millennial just rant on his motorcycle might not be that interesting to some people. And those people aren't even watching this part. Come on. I'm going the longest way home. Golly, it is blistering hot. Yeah, this is a good song. The reason, okay, I'm going the long way to get to the roundabout because I want to ride on the nice paved road. So, and I bet it's not even going to be open. I'm going to be so disappointed. And if the first one's not open, I'm going to go look for the second one, because they built two in close proximity to each other. What's up? And that guy right there was staring at the bike. Golly, I love this bike. Please go. Golly. Those are some big old wheels on that there Dodge. No, we're getting a Baskin Robbins. That's dope. I haven't had that in a long time. Got stamps. We gotta get in the left lane, but everyone here is slow. Yeah, it does not feel good whenever you're standing still. When you're moving though, mint. This is like perfect. It's just the right amount of heat to make this cool air just feel that much better on your face. You got a little bit of sweat, but I mean, I've been sweating all day at work anyway, so it's not like it's gonna be any different. Okay, Nissan, please. Thank you. I didn't even turn yellow. It's not bumpy like the majority of Louisiana roads. Golly. It is a roundabout. This is gonna be weird. Oh, but you could have gone. So you made me miss out on taking a dope turn. I'm gonna get in the middle of the next one, go in circles. Just keep doing it over and over and over. Man, I gotta come do that soon. Yeah, I gotta come do that again. Oh, that would be fun on the CBR. Oh man, they built 3, not 2, because there's another one up here. Isn't there? Oh, it's not open yet. They're building a 3rd one though. It's so weird. Like, no, those things don't exist here, and suddenly the city was just like, let's put them in. Like, I don't get it. Yeah, this is going to be a long video. Thank you for sticking through it. Now, you know what I'll do? I'm going to split it. I mean, people watching the second video know I split all already, even though you're hearing it. But this is me coming up with it. I'm splitting it so that it's not a 20-minute video. And since I am a small YouTube channel with barely any subscribers, it's not like I'm getting things monetized anyway, so I'm not going to make money off of ads. So, might as well split it into 2 videos. I'm pretty sure that's how YouTube works. I haven't seen any money. I mean, I have a video on another account that I've uploaded from my PS4 that has like 100-something thousand views. I don't know. I don't know how YouTube works. All I know is that I'm splitting this video. Yo, what's up? Late welcome to part 2. Oh man, what's gonna be like in the first part? Like, where's the S2000 gonna go? Well, if I decide to put it in the first part, then you already know. So, if I didn't, then here's me contemplating what I should do with S2000 footage. Yee, I am almost home. I wish these cars were not in front of me. I would be going faster. Yeah, I'm not going to be going fast over there anyway. I get a nice shower, I'm gonna hop back on the bike and I'm gonna go get some food. Your boy's hungry. Thank you for watching my rambling video. And also thank you for dealing with the fact that I didn't say thank you for watching my first video, considering the fact that I didn't know I was going to split it until just recently. But anyway, thank you for watching both my videos. I will be uploading from my phone again soon. Deuces.